Cain, a leader, doer, and he gets stuff done. Not only was he the CEO of Godfather's Pizza, he had over 40 years of experience balancing the economy. And that's a lot, trust me, I know.
So sexy. Sexy boy.
He has created many jobs, balanced the budget, and rescued companies in debt. He is a national hero, pretty much. His 999 plan to cut taxes could rescue even you from debt, which would be awesome. He believes in creating jobs to promote wealth to the public and economy. So you and anyone you know should and must vote Cain for the survival of this great country.
Vote Cain. Vote Cain.
Vote Cain.
Oh yeah.